welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Today I have an unboxing from Maybelline. I know, I was surprised when I got it. I was surprised with the email. I completely forgot as well, and then it came and I was like, Maybelline? I thought I was born with it. I don't know. Oh, in here I have the new Nude Shades for the Teddy Tint Liquid Lip Tints. So it is, the name is a mouthful, but I can't wait to try. So I tried to do like a neutral look so that I could get into it. And I'm more than excited for this. And I think I saw some online. But okay, let's get into it. So if you guys are ready to get into this Maybelline unboxing of their new Nude Shade for their Teddy Tint Liquid Lip Tints, keep on watching. So here it is. Let's get into it. I took off the shipment label that was here. There's another one on the back, but this actually came to my home, not my mailbox, so we can't show that. But let's get into the unboxing mermaid knife. There's only two little pieces of tape, but like, if y'all know me, I can't open nothing, so let's see what it looks like. Actually, let's do my, we zoomed you back out. It's just me, there's no team, I'm silly. But let's take a look. Ah, oh my gosh, we got some thumbnails. Okay, but look, so they're blurring nude shades up to 12-hour long wear, transfer proof, lightweight feel. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna be nice, but they kind of look a little dusty. Can you guys see? They're looking a little dusty. Like a couple of these fell and got, like, I'm not even exaggerating. I'm grateful, but it do feel a little dusty. And I think that's a warehouse issue, because it does come directly from their fulfillment center. So we're just gonna dust them. We're not gonna get in trouble. Watch, they never send me nothing ever again. But they did, like, some of them are like scuffed. I don't know, you probably can't see, but let's try it. What color first? Let's do some swatches. I want to check out this brown. This one called me immediately. I love the packaging, but yeah, it is dusty. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. They're sealed, so they're brand new, but like maybe a couple of them fell. I don't know. But there are 10 shades in here. That's so many, and I'm really excited. You know what else had 10 shades? We can talk about that later. Oh. But yes, I want to go into this brown. Does it have a name? So this one is 110 Faux Freckle. I'm gonna swatch it before I put it on the lip, because I have an idea of what it might feel like, but I don't know how it's going to dry down. So it smells, I'm not gonna say it smells like chocolate, but maybe like chocolate adjacent. Not as strong on the cocoa scent, but that's the shade. It's not even, I guess Faux Freckle is a pretty good name for it. It's not, oh, maybe this one is brown. I really want a brown. This one, okay, this one is Coffee Date 115. Let's try that next to it. Okay, so this one is more, so they go on kind of, like on my hand, they're kind of glossy. So they're supposed to be blurring nude shades. I immediately pictured like a velvety finish, or like goes on velvet. There's like a Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, liquid lipstick that I have that is very velvet. Like it just goes on immediately smooth. It's completely matte. These don't say that they're matte, so I don't know. But here's the two. So one is Faux Freckle and one is Coffee Date, and I just don't see brown in any of them, to be completely honest. This one is like a more neutral nude. This one is in Buffed Out. I'm not going any particular order. I'm sorry, 95 buffed out. I don't know if they're, well, apparently there are more shades, but these are the new ones. This one, I know I would like this one. This is like my kind of nude. It doesn't look as like neutral as I thought. This has more like pinky undertones. I'm trying to see one that's like matte. There's another one that's obviously mauve. This one is 85 and this is Soft Era. Let's try that. This is more pink. Even still. I'm trying to see if it dries down by the time I get through this video. Any of them. But I don't know. And let's go into, oh, maybe this one. No, this one's like a plum. It's looking real plummy. Let's try it. And this is 105 Velvet Choker. These names kind of, I like them. I'm not going in any particular order, but it looks like it. So far, they're all really, really pretty. I would definitely be using, I don't know which one this is anymore. I would use that more. I could see that. And there's like a, okay. I swear I didn't plan to even swatch this many, but this is 100 Kitten Heel. I'm just trying to find my perfect nude. And I feel like this might be it. Is it? Alright, I do like that one a lot. I feel like it's similar to this one. However, it's like right in between these two. I feel like that is. Alright, and let's just do one more because this one looks red. So let's see. And this one is 130 Tomato Girl. Interesting. And I'm just going to do this one right on top. Ooh, yeah. This one I think has the most pigment. It's the most, like, it's the one. So look. It's red. So that one is really nice. I like it. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm going to try one on. And we're going to get a feel for how it feels. And let's see if this dries down. I will use my fan on it if I need to. And we'll see if it's transfer proof. So all that, we gotta choose the shade though. Girl. So I just have a little tissue with mice water. You guys know I love mice water. I gotta have a whole video on that too. But, okay. So I'm just gonna remove. And I really just use a brown lip liner and a lip gloss here. So this is Naked by Blue Babe Cosmetics. That was it. Well, let's get into these. So I kind of want something more on the nude side. I probably should have kept, probably should have relaxed on taking off my lips. But okay, so here are my lips, naturally lined. I'm black. Let's, I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what color. What do you guys think? Help, quick. Maybe this one, which is kind of like peachy. I know I used one. This one is Soft Era. I don't know. I think it's this, allegedly. Let's find out. And let's see how it feels on the lips. Very smooth. Very smooth. I like that. It's not like matte, but it's like satin. Okay. I feel like I put it on and it's like I didn't put anything on. Like as far as it looks. I know that it's there. Okay, I have a little brown lip liner here. Let's go ahead and I don't think it made a difference at all for me. Maybe that was not the best choice. So maybe we'll try one of the more brown shades. Like I put some on, I swear. It's just maybe not that. if I wanted to show. Let's go into Coffee Date. Maybe I'll line my lips a little bit more. Okay, so this is not like super dark brown lip liner for me, but whatever. Oh my god, so this is called Cold Brew, and we're gonna use Coffee Date. So let's try it. There we go. I feel like it's more pigmented on the lips. Okay. So this absolutely transformed this eye look drastically. I feel like it makes it more date nighty. Coffee Date was a good name. Like, I really like it. Again, it feels very smooth, very light. It is a lip tint. I really like the feel. It doesn't feel sticky. Like, it feels nice, and it's supposed to be long wear. I just don't know how long. I want to try another shade, like more like a pinky. But I do like this shade, Coffee Date, and I do like it with this look. I feel like this look that I do, like, it's a really simple look, but it goes with so many different things. You can always dress it up or take it down a notch. So let's see with another color. So wait a minute. So that's off. I will say it's some nice coverage. It does actually feel really nice. My lips are struggling right now because I'm just wiping them dry. But I want to try this shade. I don't think I even swatched it. So this is in 60 Cool Grunge. And I think it might be more the pink side. Alright. So here it is. This is Cool Grunge. And I will say, I like the color. I don't know if I like it for this look for real, but for a lip tint, I do think it gives some good coverage without being completely like full coverage. And I don't think that's too bad. I want to try one more. My lips are gonna hate me. I want to try one more until I find the perfect shade for this look. Yeah, like the video if you like the video. Thank you. Y'all are so sweet. Okay. Last one. What did I try? I tried Coffee Date. I did not try Kitten Heel. Maybe Kitten Heel will be the one. I'm looking for something that's a little bit more nude. But again, it does feel really, really comfortable on the lips. So let me take this off and we'll jump into Kitten Heel. Did I put this on already? Did I put this on already? I don't even know. I'm gonna have to go back and watch. I'm gonna have to go back in editing and see if I put this one on already, then I'm gonna edit it out or edit it differently, whatever. But I think this is nice. I do like it. I feel like it is like my lips, but a little darker. It's very, like, it is very comfortable. Like, I cannot stress that enough how comfortable it is on the lips. It would be even more comfortable if I put on some chapstick before I did all this rubbing it off. But I think it looks so pretty. I think it's really nice. I don't know how it dries down or how it is 12-hour long wear and transfer proof. They do say it's a lightweight feel, absolutely. And I think that makes it perfect for like every day, or like if you're going into the office, you don't want to do too much. You want a little something. And just to feel like I like it. I do. I feel like, I'm trying to remember which ones I put on. Oh, I did. I put on Faux Freckle. Did I do that? That's what, I don't think I put this one on. But I like this one. I want to do one more. It's so much going on. Let's try this red one. Not particularly to go with this shade, just because I want to see what it looks like. And then it'll be the last one, because my lips, oh my god. Oh my god, they are dying. Last one, I swear. Alright. Now that my lips are screaming, let's try this red one. And this one is Tomato Girl. I feel like it's so pigmented. I gotta try it. Okay. Dots. Does it go with this look? It could. Honestly, it could. I just think it's a really pretty red. It's actually the kind of red that I like to go for. I know when they say like it's a blue red, I don't know what that means. Respectfully, I don't. What's a blue red? Show me. Show me. Because it's a red to me. Okay. But I think it's really pretty. Again, they do feel really nice, really comfortable. I would have to do like a wear test, you guys. Maybe I need to get another foundation. I used to do like 12-hour foundation wear test. I could do it with a lipstick, but I feel like a lipstick is a lot harder because I'm eating all day. I'm snacking, I'm eating, I'm eating, I'm snacking all day. And I don't know. And then I'm not in the office, so who's to say? But I really like these. I think that the shades are really beautiful. These nude shades are so wearable, like every day for everyone. I think that they're really nice. I like how they feel. I have to try more of them. Do not go in with the expectation that it's full coverage, that it's a liquid lipstick. It is explicitly a lip tint, okay? And that's what you're gonna get. That's what you're gonna get. So while I am grateful that Maybelline sent this to me, I'm even more happy that I have new lip products. I know I just did a lip video. I'm dropping stuff. Anyway, but this was really nice. I have some more stuff coming. We're back in the swing of things. Like, yeah, like I don't. Okay, so let's before we sign off, let's see what's going on here. Like, how does it have to dry down? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's not enough time, but not transfer proof as of right now on my hands. Maybe when I jump into like another video or go about my day, it'll become transfer proof. Like, transfer proof is very hard for me to believe, because tell me, after how long is it transfer proof? After how long? Thank you. But that is gonna be it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. It helps me out a lot. Hype the video. So when you like it, hype it. Thank you very much. And more to come. Check out my Instagram. Check out my brand's Instagram, Blue Babe Cosmetics. Just do that for me, please and thank you. And that's gonna be it. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.